Hello, this is a quick video on how to query Onelake items using the Iceberg REST API, and we're going to use pure SQL with DuckDB, and we'll show you like how the cache works or whether it does not works, and another workaround. So we have that our house called surprise DWH in Fabric, and then we have another data warehouse, but now from Snowflake, but stored in Onelake. I already defined my secret using workspace identity. So here I show all the table, then run a query which makes the tables from the two systems, show the cache, which is supposed to store the data locally, and then run the query. It's supposed to be second. I mean, the hot run should be less than second, but clearly not. Alternatively, you just import the data in memory and then everything will be local. So let's go to DuckDB. The first, let's turn the timing on. So we know every query how long it took. Then you can just run the SQL file by .read. So it's onelake.sql, and it will run all the query sequentially. Keep in mind here, the data is in the US, I'm in a separate continent, and I'm using my Wi-Fi. When I ran it inside Fabric, it's everything is nearly sub-second, but obviously here it will be substantially slower. So don't run a region that's it's not in your country. It's as simple as that. So here it took 20 seconds to list the two data warehouse. Then it will take another, I don't know, maybe 30 seconds to run the query. Yeah, I will probably edit this later. There's no point for you guys just waiting. So the way DuckDB works, if you run a query, it will keep the data locally. But what you can see here, so all those files here from this is data warehouse, and here at the bottom, yeah, no. Yeah, so this one is data warehouse, and this one is Snowflake. So the query itself took, yeah, it took a minute actually. But the theory is, because all the files are already in memory, the second run should be sub-second. But the way it works today, there is no way to query Iceberg and say I'm just doing read only, or I'm happy with, for example, don't check every time you run a query if the table has changed. So the second run is as slow as the first run, basically. So now we're going just to import the data into memory, and then we'll run the two queries, and you will notice, so it took 44 seconds to import the first table, and we'll see how much, and then 11 seconds, and you see the query, yeah, it took 1.4. And you can check all the tables. The point is, for read-only scenario, it will be nice just to turn off check-in if there is new versions. Yeah, so here we have those two new tables in memory. All right, yeah, I hope you you enjoyed the video, and thanks for listening. Bye.